I'm recording it. You're welcome. It'll get viral. Go to Dino David Adventures. You'll see my channel. Dude, they're fighting. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, shoot. Dude, they're fighting. And they're making noise. I was like, oh, I have to record this. I know this will get viral. They're about to... Dude. His neighbors over there saying about it. Thought it was a coyote. Or just something. It's the white cat right there. There's a black cat. Seen these cats before. There's fur. Okay, alright. Just came across. Hey, there you go. A black cat right there. It's going to fight this white one. Alright, white one's. White one's coming. The white one's over here. Okay, they were just fighting a minute ago. Alright.